Hello and thank you so much for watching. I am Ijapari Gyang, the mom on point, and in this video today I'm going to practically show you how you can become an agent with Opay, how you can load your wallet, how you can buy recharge card, how you can subscribe to your GoTV, how you can pay your bill, how you can order for ride, and much more, and every other process. So stay tuned. So the first thing you need to do is to have an Opay app, and in the description of this video I'm going to give you the link that you just click and get the app that will make you to become an agent. So all I will do is to click on this app because you have to sign up with the app. So I click on this app. So that alright, you click on the app and then I'll log in. So if you are downloading it for the first time, you have to sign up, where you input your email address and create a password. You are going to create two different passwords, one for signing in and one for any other transaction you want to do, just like any other bank app that you sign in and then your transaction pin. So this is what the app look like. Once you download it, you need to load your wallet in order to do any other payment. But the first and foremost, what I want to talk about is becoming an agent, because I'm an agent and I have collected my own free POS and people keep asking. So that is why I'm sharing this video with you. And in case you are watching and you want to learn everything that it takes to start a POS business in Nigeria, in the link of the description of this video I'm going to give you a link where you watch everything, where I share step-by-step process from getting location and every other thing, a lot of tips on how you can start a POS business here in Nigeria. So here is how the app is. This is what it looks like. So before you do any other thing, as I've said earlier, you must load your wallet. I hope you are seeing this mouse here, and if you are watching me right now, maybe you are a creator or you are wondering which mouse is this. Every Android app, every Android phone has this mouse. You just don't know how to get it. But in the description of this video, again, I will give you a link to a video that will show you how you can get this mouse and do anything on your phone. So the first thing I will do is add money. If I want to add money, so there are different ways you can add money. You can click on this top up here and then you input your card details, or you can use your bank app. All right, so here, bank app. So this bank app is one of the easiest. So if you click here, it depends on the bank you are using. You click and see the process that you can follow in order to add money to your wallet. So after adding money to your wallet, or if you want to become an agent, then you click these three lines. Here I'm already an agent, but if you are just signing up, you will see that you are in KYC 1. So KYC 1 means you need to update your details. By clicking it, they are going to ask you to upload that's because you want to become an agent. They will ask you for your BVN number. They will ask you with other details. So if you really want to become an agent where you'll be getting amazing discounts, where you can be sending money, especially if you want to do POS business, where you'll be sending money to no matter the amount, they charge you only 10 naira. So whatever you're charging others is your own gain. So you click on it and input the details. If you input the details, you are going to be in KYC 2. In KYC 2, they are going to ask you to upload your passport, your means of identity, maybe your ID card, and then NEPA bill. If you upload that and they verify it, you are going to automatically become an agent. So if you are an agent, then you will be sending and receiving money on a discounted rate. You'll be able to be selling recharge card. Any other thing you are doing, there's going to be amazing discounts waiting for you. So let's say I have, like here now, it's showing that in my wallet I have 9,652 naira. So let's say I want to buy recharge card. All I will do is I'll click this data and airtime here. So I don't even have to choose any other thing. I can just type my phone number. Let's say this is my number and I want to charge. The moment you type number, it will show you either it's Airtel or MTN or whichever network it is. It will show you here. Meanwhile, you can even allow in this place, you can allow that Opay will have access to your contact, so that in case you want to send airtime or data to any of your loved one, you click. So all I will do is I will just pick, let's say I want to buy 1,000 naira data on this mobile number. So Opay is discounting 20 naira for me. So if I click pay now, it will ask me to input my pin. This time around, it's not my login pin, it's not my login password, but rather my transaction pin. If I click pay now, it will ask me. So I'm not going to buy, I'm just showing you. That's how you can be able to buy recharge card or data. Okay, let me click again. That's for recharge card. So if you want data, you click on data and it will also come up. So here is for airtime and here is for data. So another thing you can also do, there are a lot of things you can do with this. Another thing you can also do with this is you can also pay for your light bill, or you can here also, aside from that other side, you can also click here to apply for an agent. So if you want to pay for your light bill or DSTV, I'll click on this more here. So if it is TV, is here, I'll click on TV. So it's basically for now Go TV, DSTV and Start Time. So if it is DSTV, if I click here, I'll just input number, the card number here. So if I input the card number, whatever it is, if I click on it, it will just ask me for the next thing that I need to do. So if I click on next, it will ask me to, because the number is not valid, of course. So if I click on next, it will ask me to input my password, my pin, so that it will be credited. Because whenever you put the pin, it will even show you that particular card, how much they are subscribing to, so you don't have any headache, except if the person wants to upgrade, then you now change and upgrade. So if you want to pay for electricity, this is where you can also come in. So you can select, because I'm in Abuja, this is what I use. So you now input the meter number, input the amount and click on next. Then it will also ask you to input your pin. So that is how you can pay for electricity bill. So if you want to obtain loan, yes, as an agent, if you have become an agent, let's say you've done the processes and you have become an agent and you want to get loan, you click here and click on their terms and conditions, read it very well. If it is something you can do, then you can also click and do that. Another thing again, you can also pay for JAM registration, for the JAM pin and every other thing. There are a lot of things you can do. So if you click here, you also follow the process. Everything in this app is simple and easy. So you can also pay for betting, for those that are doing that are into betting, or Oka, you want to call a cab. We have Oka, we have O-Ride, we have Go Kada and so many other things. So you click here, input your details and then click your pin and you are good to go. So that is what all that it is for Opay, for you to make use of Opay. So there are a lot of things you can actually do with this. You can also get loan up to 50,000 naira without collateral. If you just click on this, and truly in even less than 5 minutes you get that. Also, I made a video how you can get Opay POS within 3 days or less. So if you want to also know that, I'm going to, in the description of this video, I drop a link how to get Opay POS within 3 days or less. So let's say I want to transfer money to somebody. I want to transfer money. I'll click on transfer. So if it is Opay to Opay, is 0. They don't even charge anything at all. But mostly as an agent, if you are doing POS business, is transfer to other bank. So you click on transfer to other bank. So if I click on transfer to other bank, that's what it will first of all ask me, the bank. Let's say I want to send to this bank. So I click access. Oh, let me practicalize it here. So let's say I'm using GT Bank. So here I will input the account number 004. All right, maybe you want to dash me free money. So here is it. If this is optional, if you want to add any message, maybe from so person or a phone number, then you click on next and it will come up. It's processing right now. All right, yes, Ijapari Gyang. So all I need to do is click on payment. If I click on payment, it will now still ask me for my payment pin. I'll not input that, of course. So that is all that there is in the Opay app, everything you can do. So please, if you want to download it right away to become an agent, in the description of this video, I'm going to drop a link where you click and get your app immediately. And you can also chat me up. In the description of this video, there is link to all my social media handle: WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram. You can chat me up on WhatsApp and I'll respond to you immediately. Or even if the link is not working, just chat me up. I can put you through, I can connect you. I am an agent, so that everything can move fast. So because there's money in this business, and everybody is hustling, right, as an entrepreneur by profession. So this channel is where I talk about online business and several other businesses I do, from writing, self-publishing, how you can create beautiful images, editing, how you can do editing, and a lot more. So if you find this video helpful, kindly please click on the like button, click on subscribe button, so that you get latest notification on our videos, be it on entrepreneurship, how to make like recently I made a video how to make hand sanitizer, and the video is already trending. I'm going to drop the link in the description of this video as well. How to make hand sanitizer, how to make perfume, how to overcome shyness, how to introduce yourself within 5 seconds and people buy from you, how to get rid of shyness, and so many other things. So please click on the subscribe button so that you get the latest notification on our video. And until I come your way next time, do have a wonderful day. Bye.